The train rumbles through the German countryside, past fields of emerald green and forests straight out of a Grimm's fairy tale. This isn't some sanitized postcard though. This is Germany, a country with scars, with stories whispered in the cobblestones and etched onto the faces of its people. Are you ready to explore the rich history, vibrant culture and stunning architecture of Germany? Join us as we dive into the top cities you must visit in this beautiful country. We're not talking about some sterile itinerary of landmarks and photo ops. We're going deep, digging into the soul of these cities, tasting the heart of Germany in its food, its music, its people. Get ready to get your hands dirty, your boots muddy, your senses overloaded. Berlin, a city that breathes history, a tapestry woven from the threads of empires and ideologies, wars and revolutions. You can practically hear the echoes of the past in the hushed shadows of the Brandenburg Gate. Feel the weight of history staring down at you from atop the Reichstag dome. But Berlin isn't stuck in the past. It explodes with a raw, unfiltered energy, a chaotic symphony of creativity and rebellion. Walk down any street and you're bombarded with street art that screams from the walls, each stroke a testament to the city's untamed spirit. We'll wander through Mauer Park, where the remnants of the Berlin Wall now serve as a canvas for vibrant murals, a testament to the city's resilience. Here, on a Sunday afternoon, the air thrums with the energy of street performers, the smell of currywurst mingling with the melodies of impromptu concerts. This is Berlin's soul laid bare, raw and unfiltered. And then there's the nightlife. Forget sterile clubs and velvet ropes. Berlin's nightlife is a labyrinth of underground bars and abandoned warehouses, transformed into pulsating temples of techno. It's a place where the night owls, the artists, the dreamers, and the lost come to lose themselves in the music, to find solace in the collective heartbeat of the city that never sleeps. But beneath the grit and the glamour, Berlin holds onto its history with a fierce grip. The scars of the Berlin Wall still linger, a solemn reminder of a divided past. We'll stand in the shadow of the East Side Gallery, the longest remaining stretch of the wall, now transformed into an open-air gallery, a powerful symbol of unity and artistic expression. This is Berlin, a city that refuses to be defined by its past, a city that embraces its contradictions, a city that pulses with an undeniable energy. It's a city that gets under your skin, that stays with you long after you've left its cobblestone streets behind. Munich. Mention this city and everyone pictures overflowing beer steins and lederhosen-clad revelers at Oktoberfest. And yeah, that's here, a testament to Bavarian tradition and the intoxicating allure of Gemütlichkeit, that untranslatable feeling of warmth and good cheer. We'll dive into the mayhem, clink glasses with locals, and try not to spill beer on our lederhosen. But Munich is more than just a beer-soaked bacchanal. It's a city of stunning architecture, from the whimsical towers of the Frauenkirche to the sprawling grandeur of the residence, the former royal palace. We'll wander through the English Garden, a sprawling urban oasis larger than Central Park, where surfers catch waves on the Eisbach River and locals gather for impromptu picnics. This is also a city at the forefront of technology and innovation, home to BMW and Siemens, a place where tradition and progress collide. We'll explore the Deutsches Museum, one of the world's oldest and largest science and technology museums, a testament to Germany's engineering prowess. And then there's the food. We're not talking about pretzels and sausages here, folks, although we'll be indulging in our fair share of those too. We're talking Michelin-starred restaurants, pushing the boundaries of Bavarian cuisine, cozy beer gardens serving up hearty plates of Schweinshaxe, and bustling Victualian market overflowing with fresh produce and local delicacies. But no trip to Munich is complete without a visit to Neuschwanstein Castle, nestled in the Bavarian Alps. This fairy tale castle, an inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle, is a testament to the romanticism and grandeur of King Ludwig II. We'll wander its halls, marvel at its opulence, and try to resist the urge to burst into a chorus of Be Our Guest. Munich is a city of contrasts, a place where tradition and modernity coexist, where beer halls and high-tech industries thrive side by side. It's a city that embraces its heritage while looking towards the future. A city that invites you to raise a glass, enjoy the good life, and discover its hidden depths. The salty tang of the sea hangs in the air, a constant reminder that this is Hamburg, a city built on trade on the ebb and flow of the Elbe River. This isn't some landlocked city, folks. This is a place where the spirit of adventure, the lure of the open sea, is baked into its DNA. We'll wander through the Speicherstadt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a labyrinth of red brick warehouses perched on oak piles, a testament to Hamburg's history as a major trading port. It's a photographer's dream, a place where the past feels palpable, the air thick with the scent of spices and the ghosts of sailors long gone. But Hamburg is a city that refuses to rest on its laurels. It's a city constantly reinventing itself, a place where cutting-edge architecture like the Elbphilharmonie Concert Hall rises alongside the weathered facades of historic buildings. We'll catch a concert in this architectural marvel, its glass facade shimmering like a ship's sail, and let the music wash over us. And then there's the Reeperbahn, Hamburg's infamous red light district, a place where sailors have come for centuries to blow off steam, where the night is always young and the party never ends. We'll tread carefully here, folks, but we won't shy away from the grit, the rawness, the unvarnished underbelly of this city. But Hamburg's heart lies not just in its harbor, but in its people. We'll rub shoulders with sailors and shipbuilders, artists and entrepreneurs, all drawn to this city's unique blend of grit and grace. We'll grab a beer at a harborside pub, listen to the stories spun by weathered fishermen, and feel the pulse of this city that thrives on the water's edge. Hamburg is a city that gets under your skin, a place where the past and present collide, where the sea whispers tales of adventure and the air hums with the promise of new beginnings. It's a city that invites you to cast off your inhibitions, embrace the unexpected, and discover the true meaning of wanderlust. The air vibrates with a certain energy in Cologne, a palpable joie de vivre that's impossible to resist. Maybe it's the glint of the sun reflecting off the Rhine River, or maybe it's the infectious laughter spilling out from the city's countless brewpubs. Whatever it is, Cologne welcomes you with open arms and a hearty Kole Alaf, the city's battle cry of good cheer. Dominating the skyline is the Cologne Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that took over 6 centuries to complete. We'll crane our necks to take in its grandeur, its twin spires piercing the heavens, and wander its hallowed halls, feeling the weight of history and faith echoing within its walls. But Cologne isn't just about ancient history and architectural marvels. It's a city that knows how to have a good time, a place where Kolsch, the local beer, flows freely and the streets come alive during the annual Carnival celebration, a riot of color, music, and masked revelry. We'll dive headfirst into the madness, let the rhythm of the music take over, and experience firsthand the infectious energy that makes Cologne's carnival legendary. Just be prepared to catch some candy thrown from the parade floats, and maybe even share a kiss with a stranger wearing a funny hat. Beyond the revelry, Cologne is a city with a rich cultural heritage, home to numerous museums, including the Romano-Germanic Museum, showcasing the city's Roman past, and the Museum Ludwig, housing one of Europe's most important collections of modern art. We'll lose ourselves in the artwork, wander through the exhibits, and gain a deeper understanding of this city's multifaceted personality. And when our feet are tired and our minds are buzzing with inspiration, we'll find solace in one of Cologne's many traditional pubs, sipping on a cold Kolsch and soaking up the lively atmosphere. Cologne is a city that embraces life with gusto, a place where history, art, and good times intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. It's a city that reminds you to let loose, embrace the moment, and never say no to another glass of Kolsch. Skyscrapers pierce the sky, a testament to Frankfurt's status as Germany's financial powerhouse. This is a city where money talks, where the European Central Bank holds court, where suits stride purposefully through the streets, briefcases in hand. But don't let the gleaming facade fool you. Frankfurt is a city of surprising contrasts, a place where old-world charm meets modern sophistication, where a love for tradition thrives alongside a thirst for innovation. We'll wander through the Altstadt, Old Town, with its cobblestone streets and half-timbered houses, a stark contrast to the towering skyscrapers just blocks away. Here, amongst the quaint shops and traditional Apfelwein taverns, you'll find the true heart of Frankfurt, a place where locals gather to sip on the city's signature cider and savor the simple pleasures of life. Frankfurt is also a city that embraces its multiculturalism, a melting pot of nationalities drawn to its economic opportunities and vibrant cultural scene. We'll explore the diverse culinary landscape, from traditional German fare to Turkish delights to Vietnamese street food, a testament to the city's cosmopolitan spirit. And no trip to Frankfurt is complete without a visit to the Museumsufer, a stretch along the main river home to a cluster of world-class museums. We'll delve into the Stadel Museum, with its impressive collection of European art spanning 7 centuries, and explore the quirky exhibits at the Museum für Communication, dedicated to the history of communication. Frankfurt is a city that defies expectations, a place where financial ambition meets cultural curiosity, where ancient history and modern architecture exist in harmony. It's a city that challenges you to look beyond the surface, to discover the hidden gems tucked away in its bustling streets, to experience the unexpected pleasures of a city that's constantly evolving. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible German cities, each with its own distinct flavor, its own stories to tell. We've wandered through history, tasted tradition, and felt the pulse of modern Germany in its art, its music, its people. Did you know that Frankfurt is home to one of the world's largest stock exchanges? Which of these cities would you love to explore first? Let us know in the comments below. Germany isn't just a destination, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of a country that's constantly reinventing itself. So pack your bags, grab your appetite for adventure, and get ready to discover the magic of Germany for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing travel content.